Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. This is a 2017 Lexus NX 200T F Sport Series 3 in the ultra white finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, local Calgary car with a clean, accident-free CarFax. Some of the features on this vehicle do include premium LED headlamps with the auto-leveling headlamp system, LED daytime running lights, LED fog lamps, front and rear park assist sensors, automatic high beams, park assist, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, power liftgate, pre-collision system, center locking differential, heated steering wheel, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power adjustable front seats, driver seat memory seating, power windows and door locks, hands-free controls, lane departure with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, multimedia display with navigation and integrated backup camera, dual zone climate control, heated front seats, 10-speaker Lexus premium audio system, drive mode select with Sport Plus, electronic parking brake, remote touchpad, power moonroof, red interior, and of course comes with the legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more about this vehicle, please visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or call us to schedule a test drive at 403-296-9600.